We're gonna drive like an old lady today because this ain't my car. Oh my god, the ah! Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my special guest.
I'm so excited because
It doesn't say her name! Our special guest. Guys, I'm so excited.
Hi, I'm Alisha. I was just gonna say, I'm so excited to have an assistant today.
Oh my gosh, okay, so Alisha came up with this amazing collab idea that on her channel, she's gonna be my assistant for the day, and then in this video, Alicia's gonna be my assistant for the day.
No.
Opposite?
This is your intro, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait.
You're
my assistant today.
Okay, so my video, I am your assistant. Your video, you are my assistant.
Yeah.
So Alisha came up with this amazing idea where we could try to be each other's assistants for the day. So today I am on team So Extra, team Alisha, team MacBaby11.
I think you're gonna kill it.
I think it's gonna be good.
I see you as being so organized, and I think an A+ assistant has to be so
Absolutely.
together, organized, like be on top of everything. So I think you're gonna do a little better than me.
I don't know, but I feel like we're like both super organized. I feel like we're on the same level.
Yeah, but I'm always pushing it when it comes to running late, which like messes up the whole day, so we'll see.
True. Make sure to check out Alicia's video of her being my assistant for the day.
Subscribe if you're new because DIY queen.
Oh my god.
Did you like that? Queen! Chloe, come here!
Chloe, you wanna be in the video? Oh my goodness. Chloe, you have food on your face, but as your assistant, I'll wipe it off for you. Let me see. I know. There you go. Wow, am I hired?
Yeah. Oh, of course.
Okay, let's jump into the video. I'm so excited and wish me luck. I think I've been fired before I've even started. Oh my god, so we went to a Halloween party last night and got home around 2. It's currently 11:37 a.m. I look like this. My eyelashes are stuck together, have no bra on. I'm running off of a skinny vanilla latte and a small sad bowl of oatmeal. Ready to put in some work today. Okay, so here's what's on the agenda today. We're gonna transform and do a real glow up because I feel like Alicia's assistant needs to be as cute as Alisha, and we'll fix this situation. Okay, so we gotta cancel some appointments, make some appointments. We gotta get lash, nails, sugaring done, do a little grocery shopping at Trader Joe's. We gonna pick up lunch from Health Nut, gas up Henry, get a car wash, and walk Chloe. I am not really in any shape to do any of this except for make phone calls from this position, but that's okay. We gonna power through it. We're gonna drink a little more caffeine, maybe take a quick shower, try and scrub off the sins of last night. Just kidding, I didn't sin. I'm just really tired. Man, I am ready to crush this. Alisha did such a good job. I feel like the stakes are very high right now. Okay, she eats lunch around 1:32. Wow, that's late. Like, ready for a second lunch at that point. Okay, anyway, Alisha crushed it, and so I feel like the bar is set high, so we might look like this right now, but it doesn't mean that we cannot be efficient. A little concealer is gonna go a long way today. Let's do it, Team Alisha! I am a new human. The hair is up. I got my to-do list ready. I got my beverages. We're staying hydrated. I got 2 granola bars. I am ready, Team Alisha. Okay, so I'm a super detail-oriented person, and I feel like Alisha and I are very similar in this way. So I texted her about 14 questions asking if TK wants lunch, also asked for access to her calendar so I can schedule these appointments to her liking. I also asked if there's a priority because maybe nails need to be done first, lashes are still okay, we don't need to fill quite yet. And I also asked if she likes to stack like her self-care appointments in one day, because sometimes I like to just bang them all out in one day. You guys are gonna die at my phone voice. So at one of my old jobs, I used to have to call people who were taking music lessons to reschedule their lessons. And so I have a very formal phone voice. And this is a side of me that you guys have never seen, my professional formal phone voice version of laurDIY. So you are welcome. Also, is it lunch yet? Do I get a lunch break? How does this work? I don't know. Anyways, let's freaking make some appointments. Also, I got my Apple Watch on. Just told me to breathe. I am breathing. Apple Watch. We are breathing Alicia's schedule today. Hi, I was just calling to cancel an upcoming appointment I have for Alisha McDonald.
Does she want to change the time, or Friday doesn't work for her?
Yeah, Friday doesn't work, so we'll give a call back to reschedule.
Okay, great. Sounds good.
Awesome, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Who is that?
I know, I told you! I have such an embarrassing formal phone voice. one done. Let's make a nail appointment, a lash appointment, and a sugar ring appointment.
How can I help you?
Hi, I was just calling to make an appointment for a gel mani and regular putty.
What time are you looking for?
Do you have anything daytime Friday by any chance?
Daytime Friday? Sure. What time?
Let's do noon if you have that.
Your name?
Alicia?
You're all set. We'll see you then.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Okay, bye. God, I hate myself. Oh my god, I don't know if she needs a full set or a fill for her lashes. Stand by.
Hi, you've reached...
How dare you? No one puts Alicia to voicemail. Oh no, someone's calling me back. I'm stressed. It's much scarier to receive a call than make a call. Oh, hi. I was just calling to make an appointment I was hoping Tuesday for the Bare Naked Sugar.
What time did you want to come in? We have from 3 p.m. to 8:45.
Let's do a 3 p.m.
3 p.m.? Okay. And what was your name?
Alicia?
Alisha?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. All right, you're all set for 3 p.m. on November the 5th.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. Oh, yo, we are knocking these out. Okay, so let's see. These are close to each other. I feel like I'd rather get lashes done first and then sugar because I feel like sugar is not relaxing. Okay, we only need to fill. Alicia has confirmed. Guys, this is fun. Hi, I was just calling to make an appointment for next Tuesday. Sorry, this coming Tuesday.
Okay, do you actually have one for 10 a.m.?
Oh,
So we'll see you.
sorry, I'm actually calling on behalf of someone else, so it's not for Lauren. I'm sure it's attached to my contact, but it's actually for someone else. Yeah, okay, cool.
Okay, but we do have you for 10 a.m.
Yeah, on the 5th. Yeah, literally, I have an appointment at 10 a.m. Yes, that's correct.
Okay, perfect. Did you want your friend at the same time? We have one at 10 a.m.
Yeah, sure, that's great.
Okay, and then is this going to be for a fill or a full set?
Yeah, just an hour-long fill.
Would I be able to get their name?
Yep, it's
Her name?
Alicia, Alisha.
So we'll see you guys both then.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. Wow, love that Alicia and I have lash appointments on Tuesday together. I totally forgot that I had my own appointment. Okay, wow, knocked that out. We got a self-care day happening on Tuesday. Nails in a couple days. Let's hit Trader Joe's and grab some lunch. Yo, this is fun. Receiving a call is low-key so scary, but like making a call, much less scary. Let me know if you guys feel the same way. We eat on the run. Don't drive with your knees, ladies and gentlemen. Safety first. Actually, no. Alicia's errands first, and then safety. Alicia, do you have workplace insurance? Just curious. Okay, we're on our way to Trader Joe's to get some things. I clarified what kind of chicken she wants, how many eggs, if she likes brown or white. We are not gonna mess this up today. Okay, so Alicia's getting her period in a few days, or already has it, so I'm gonna be a total kiss and get her some flowers. Like a good assistant should.
Organic bananas? It's over there. I'm the assistant to the assistant regional manager.
Free range, organic, grade A brown eggs. Also, no look on dates. Are figs and dates the same thing? No, right?
I thought they were.
Do these scream, I'm sorry that you're getting your period and I feel you? We got lunch. It's 1:40. And she said she wanted to eat between 1:30 and 2. We on track, baby. The only issue is that the order said add onion dressing on the side, and there was no such thing as onion dressing. So I'm gonna assume that there was a missing comma to be like add onions and dressing on the side. So we have onions in a container that are also on the side. So I was like, can I get onions on the side and dressing on the side? And I was stressed and I didn't have time to text and like confirm this. So this may be our first moment of firing, but we'll see. What's up? Are we wearing the same top right now, essentially?
No, but yeah.
Hello.
Do you want help?
No, girl, I got it.
Okay.
You relax. Did these say happy period? Did you watch the vlog? You told me you were getting your period.
I told you.
Happy
Wow.
period.
I'm over here getting fired and you're getting promoted.
Okay, so we had one small incident.
Uh-oh.
There was no comma in between add onion dressing on the side.
Got it.
So we have onions on the side. Okay, gonna take my lunch break now. Okay, are you ready for the grocery haul of your
I'm
life?
ready. We go through bananas so fast. I'm really glad that you got green.
I looked for the green ones so I left
Because we already have some normal yellow ripe ones.
Wow,
so
this is what's
perfect.
gonna love it.
We
Okay,
go-
got it. Okay, good.
Good job, A+.
And then we've got some 12 large grade A brown eggs, organic, free range.
Amazing.
Okay, and then we've got 2 dates
Oh, I
options.
didn't answer fast enough. Normally I get this one, but Ashley's gotten those before too.
Okay, great, because I was sitting there waiting for your text back and I was like,
Like, I don't got time for this.
like, we'll just go get both. Also,
Don't
are
stick up
dates
seed.
and figs the same thing?
No, very different, but like these, great in a smoothie because they make it really sweet. So
Oh, they're sweet?
Yeah, they're sweet.
These are dog treats and Moose loves them.
Oh my god, really?
Yeah, so try these with Chloe because like
Oh
Moose
my God.
loves these. And they're also diet treats. It's like 1 calorie per
So it's,
treat.
they don't get chubby.
Because
Okay.
Moose gets chonky.
Oh, we get thick.
We've got
Very
2
good.
frozen carrot spirals.
Have you tried these?
No, they look bomb. Look,
They're
there's, like
so good. Are they
I'm
not?
not
They're
myself.
so
bomb.
good.
They look so good. And then this was the only chicken they really had was the frozen stuff, but it's the boneless, skinless chicken breast with a little bit of rib meat. But this is the healthiest option.
Okay.
This is what I would have got myself.
I love that.
Okay.
I haven't gotten this before. I'm
fired.
I
I'm
also,
fired.
No. I'm not kidding when I said surprise me. So can you put them away?
You're like, finish the job.
Wherever you think they would go.
Freezer. That feels right. I feel okay about that.
Isn't it different when it's someone else's house?
Oh my god, yeah. I barely know where things go in my house. These are like the backup bananas.
Yeah.
These go in the refrigerator.
I put them in the refrigerator.
Okay.
Go freeze eggs. Yeah.
Girl, I'm gonna even put your eggs in a little egg holder.
Oh my god, thank you.
Okay, Apple,
Oh, you actually want one?
you need a new home. Every fan's dream. Whoever thought I'd be stocking Alisha Marie's fridge? This is young LAURDIY's dream right now. I'm just gonna take my sweet time and enjoy this moment. What's the Gas Me Up challenge?
Okay, in some recent vlogs, I've been doing this new challenge called like Gas You Up segment, where while I'm gassing up my car, I'll like gas someone up in my life or like a fan or someone that I know. So like one time I did TK. So while my car's gassing up, I'm like, TK, you're so freaking awesome. Like, thank you for
Oh,
being
it's
my
nice
friend.
things.
It's nice. It's just like gas them up. So I just
Yeah,
figured
yeah.
if you want, it would be funny.
Yo, Matt, you ready to get gassed up
do.
today?
Yeah, I was gonna say, you could do Matt, you could do Moose, you could do anyone you
Wow,
wanna
that's
do.
so cute. That
You don't
looks so
have
positive.
to. Yeah, you know, spreading the love.
I'm ready. Let's do car things. Car wash, gas you up challenge,
I don't have a Range Rover.
road trip.
Okay.
Let's go to Vegas.
There's no backup cameras.
Do you think this is a... Oh my god. This is a house key, so it's like, okay, this isn't sticking. Oh, it's this. Oh my god. Ah! I'm really stressed about the no backup camera situation. I know that I'm like so spoiled having had a backup camera. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is the day Alisha gets a new car because I total it. Okay. What do I have to do again? I literally forget. I'm like, oh my god, how do I do this?
I've never seen you do this.
I literally just like went to go check the camera and it's not there. We're gonna drive like an old lady today because this ain't my car. Oh my god, the ah! Literally a car just flew by us. We'll just back up and pray. Back up and pray. When I was in driver's ed, you had to stop at the stop sign long enough to say boobies and then you could go. Went to a very sophisticated driving school, obviously. But today we back on that boobies stop. Ready to stop? Boobies. Dang! The best one's only $12. Only the best for you, Henry.
The ultimate wash.
Yay, we purchased the ultimate wash! Henry, you getting clean today! I hate when the car wash yells at you when you go when you go too far. I really like you. You don't know that now you know. Ah! Henry, are you okay? Are you okay, Henry? You ready to get gassed up?
I'm gonna get gassed up.
Who else am I gonna gas up?
Henry?
Yeah, Henry, yeah. Also, I don't have Alicia's credit card, so happy birthday to you. We are gassing. Henry is so shiny and beautiful. Look at them rings. Ooh, Henry, you glistening. You glistening. Okay, so I don't know what this whole gas you up situation is, but hey, man, you is nice. You is kind. You has good hair. You has great Kefla doggy. You is a good filmographer, videographer, photographer.
So many nice things at one time. You're gassing me up.
Alisha, is this the gas up? Did I do it? Did I do it? put your bra on?
Oh.
Put the bra.
I like how you
call
call
it
it
a bra.
Because I was like, Moose, I'm like, this feels like a bra on Moose.
Please be so good. We've practiced, we've trained. This is your shining moment. Are you ready? Are you excited? Go have fun.
It's like sending your kid off for school.
Hi, everybody! Wow, she's literally like the weight of a cotton ball. This is like a pretty strong cotton ball. Like, she's pretty strong. Like, look at her, she's ready to go. Did she just lift her leg to pee?
Yeah.
Moose doesn't even do that. I feel like there's a poo coming. There's a poo coming for sure. Oh my gosh, find your spot, girl. I get it. Find your spots. Find your spot. Don't smell that. Don't smell it. That's not yours. That's not your poo. What is she like prepping to do? It's like you only know your own dog's butthole, like when you're about to poo or not. So it's like I don't know what she's doing. She's like waddling, but it's like, what does that mean? Oh, sorry. You think you're tough? You think you're tough? Do you think you're tough? Fly over this. That's good service. That's good dog walking service. She looks like she's been thinking about pooping for so long. Girl, if you gotta do it, just do it. Let it out. You'll feel better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out Alisha's video where she is my assistant for the day.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh my gosh, like you trying to brush Moose's teeth? Like you trying to get some DIY supplies?
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I think I did kill it. I may have been realistically fired. I don't know. We'll have to see.
We'll have to
Link
see.
below.
Also, after you watch both videos, go and tweet us of who you think was the better assistant and who you would hire.
Hashtag LaurIsha, right? It's always Isha. It's always just an Isha to it, so.
It gives it like that little
Did we do anything last year that was like a...
We swapped houses last year.
Oh, well, yeah. Oh my God, well, you guys should go watch that. This year, we're being each other's assistants, so like, what should we do next year?
Literally, it's the annual
Swap
LaurIsha
dogs?
collab.
Oh, we need to do that one.
What? Oh, we did swap dogs. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't seen last Wednesday's weekly vlog, that'll be linked in the down bar below. Make sure to subscribe to Alisha's channel. Go check out her video, and I will see you guys on Sunday for another DIY. Okay, bye guys.
Okay, bye.
DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.
DIY queen, yeah, you know